50 degree. Question number A. Sine 150 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Then to prove that this from the given solution, we know that from what? From questions, cos 330 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. We know that by some multiple angle, cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin A square A by 2. 1 minus 2 sin A square 330 degree by 2 and root 3 by 2. Or 1 minus root under 3 by 2 is equal to 2 sin A square 165 degree. This means 2 minus root under 3 by 2 is equal to 2 sin A square 150 degree, or sin A square 165 degree is equal to 2 minus root 3 by 4. With the help of this, here, or sin A square 165 degree is equal to 2 minus root 3 by, to prove that, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root under 2. 4 or sin root under 2 minus root 3 by 4. Here 2 minus 2 root 3. 2 into 2 minus 2 root 3 by 2 into 4. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2. From this question, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2 into 4. We know that 4 is right here. 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. Our proof is root under 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Right here 2 square. 1 by 2 root under root 3 को whole square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 plus 1 को square by 2. 1 by 2 root under 3 minus 1 को whole square divided by root under 2. From these questions, 1 by 2 root under 2 root under 3 minus 1. Our proof is complete. Also, similarly, question do the questions 6, B and C. Question number 9. From the question number 9. From the question number 9. 8, 7 and 8 do itself from the question 6. Same do itself from the question 6 to 7. 8 is also solved from question 9 and 8 are similar. Question number 9a. LHS 1 plus cos alpha by sin alpha. 1 plus cos alpha by sin alpha. We know that 1 plus in the sum multiple angle 2 cos square alpha minus 1, and sin alpha is also in the sum multiple angle sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. 1 and 1 is cancelled. 2 cos square alpha by 2 upon 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Cos alpha by 2 upon sin alpha by 2 is equal to cot alpha by 2. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Here cos alpha so multiple angle 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 and sin alpha in the sum multiple form 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. 2 is cancelled, cos alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2 is cancelled. In the left, in the remaining part in numerator is cos alpha by 2 and in denominator is sin alpha by 2. Cos by sin is equal to cot. Our proof is complete. Also, from the question 9, question number E. Question number E. 9E. LHS 2 sin A plus sin 2A. 2 sin A plus sin 2A divided by 2 sin A minus sin 2A. Sin 2A. Our proof is cot square A by 2. 2 sin A. 2 sin A plus 2 sin A into cos A. 2 sin A minus 2 sin A into cos A. Take the common from numerator 2 sin A, 1 plus cos A. Take the common from denominator 2 sin A and 1 remaining part 1 minus cos A. Here cancel. 1 plus cos A, 2 cos square A by 2 in the sum multiple angle form and also 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 sin square A by 2 is equal to cos by sin is equal to cot. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Our proof is complete. Today is finished.